In this quick video, I am going to show you how to change domain URL on Wix. So first of all, go to wix.com and log in here with your account, and then go to your website dashboard and make sure to select correct website, which domain you want to change. So I have selected my website here, and then go to settings from the left panel. Under it, we need to look for an option of website settings. You can see this one. I need to select it. Then scroll down here and you will find the site domain URL. So I want to change it. So for that I just need to select my current domain here, and then I want to change it to something like this. Now to save these changes, go to top and click on save. Then your website domain URL will be changed. Keep in mind that this is only free domain. It will have this Wix Studio branding on your domain. But if you want to switch to branded domain, then for that you need to upgrade your Wix plan. For that, click on upgrade now, and then it will redirect you to new website. From here you can choose any plan you want, in which you will get free domain for 1 year. So with that you can upgrade your domain to custom branded domain. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.